Nah, I'm just.
Alright, bro. Here you come. You ready?
You the one who kept me up.
Nah, bro. Think there's something wrong with my gun.
I'm being serious.
Ain't nothing wrong with your gun. This might be a water gun. Ain't nothing wrong with your gun, bro.
But,
Stop playing.
That thing I got you
ready to do this?
Mother's
Can
Day?
we reschedule? Cause if so, that'd be great.
No,
I can't do this.
Like it.
No, I'm gone. Rob this nigga yourself.
Yeah,
I'm out. Wait, you can't leave me. Mama said that we gotta stay together. Mom? Hey, Mom, I'm gonna call you back. Yeah. Look, man, we were supposed to rob you. It ain't working out. It just ain't working out, bruh. I mean, this dude right here is getting on my nerves. It was supposed to be easy. We wasn't gonna hurt you or nothing, bruh. I mean, his gun ain't real, and my gun don't have any bullets in it. I was just gonna hit you upside the head with it. You know, real aggressive like. And hopefully, you don't make me shoot you. That was the plan. We can't even do that. Can't even do that. So if you don't mind, I'd like to just go home. Nah, ain't nobody going home. I ain't even going home. We in your crib. Shut up. Yeah. Take this when it's loaded, huh? Why? Now, give me the bandana. What'd you say? You, give me your bandana. Want these? Here. No, here. Take it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Uh-huh. I look good? Yeah, bro. Alright, you look great. I'm gonna tell y'all how y'all supposed to do it.